So here's how to get American IP Purevpn. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out Purevpn for free. Start by opening the Purevpn application on your PC. Here, tap on the location as shown if you want to change the location of the VPN. Then, go to the location section and tap on United States from the suggestions. Wait for it to connect. You have now successfully connected your device to this server. Now open your browser and go to whatismyipaddress.com. On this page, tap on the My IP. Over here, you can view your IP address and your location. And as you can see, the country is labeled as United States. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily get American IP using Purevpn.